man was sitting at a bench in the park. He looked sad, so an old lady went up to him and asked, "Are you okay? Why do you look so sad?" The man replied, "Sit down with me and you'll understand." So the old lady sat down and was waiting for an explanation. She asked again, "So what is bothering you?" The man replied, "The bench is freshly painted." Hey everyone, Al here again, and in this video, I want you to learn something about the English language and ultimately to have fun and explore a little English. Before I continue, this is quite a long walk. Let me speed things up here a tiny bit so we can enjoy a better view. This park is called Al Park. It is the biggest park in the whole world. Not only is it big, it's dangerous. I have to be careful here, otherwise a tiger may come out of nowhere and eat me alive. Last week, somebody was eaten here and it was on the news. It was not nice. There are also dangerous people here who like to kidnap large people. So if you're big and large, I don't recommend coming here, otherwise the dangerous people will come from behind you and put you in a bag and capture you. I am joking, by the way. This park is called Central Park and is actually one of the safest parks in the world. There are no dangerous animals here, but instead, there are a lot of cute squirrels that run up to humans and ask for food. Why do most people say that squirrels are cute but mouses are scary? Isn't that weird? They are from the same family. The world sure is strange, even stranger than fiction. This park is beautiful. At night, however, it is scary. I remember around 20 years ago, I came here at night with a lot of my robot friends, and every shadow looked like a ghost or demon. It was probably one of the scariest experiences in my life, and I don't think I'll ever do it again. Do you believe in ghosts? During the day, many people, especially elderly people, love to come here. Also, people who have pet dogs love to bring them here. The dogs have to be on a leash, however, but still, it's great. Do you see that pond? Did you know this pond is man-made? It was built by humans. I have an interesting story to tell you about this pond. But before I do, please hit the like button, leave a comment saying, "Al, you're the best." Subscribe to my channel and of course, hit the bell. Please do it. Okay. Now that that's over, I'll tell you the story. A few years ago, some clown purchased a very dangerous fish, a snakehead fish, and released it into this pond. Because it can wreak havoc on the ecosystem here, the park had to remove it, but it was very hard to find. Do you know how they found it? They had to drain all the water out of the pond in order to catch it. Yes, you see all that water? They had to get rid of all of it. Isn't that crazy? All that work to catch one fish. If they called me, I could have personally come to catch that fish. I may be a robot, but I was actually created under the sea. The Mediterranean Sea to be exact. And guess what? I swim fast. I can swim faster than a great white shark, and I'm 1,000 times smarter than a dolphin. 1,000 is a big number, by the way, so please be amazed. In the future, if you ever see something like this happening, please make sure to message me by leaving a comment below, and I'll come and safely rescue everyone and everything because I am Al. On a more serious note here, do you go for walks often? Going for walks is one of the best free things you can do on a daily basis. It's great for your mind and body, and when the weather is nice, it's an absolute pleasure. Where are your favorite places to go for walks? How often do you go? If you answered once a week, I'll have to say that that is not enough. I'm not a doctor and I'm not a nurse, but even I know you need to go for walks at least 3 to 4 times a week. How do I know? I asked Siri. Just before I go here, some people think Siri is always listening to us. What do you think? Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next video.